In this video, you will learn how to delete an unwanted group from Okta using Postman. This process can remove Okta group or app group type groups. If an app group type is used in a group push mapping, it cannot be removed using this process. If you have not set up Postman with Okta, refer to the video in the description below before proceeding. Let's get started. Before a group can be deleted, we must first obtain the group's group ID. There are two ways to view the group ID. The first way is from within the admin dashboard. In the Okta admin dashboard, navigate to the group that you want to delete under Directory and Groups. Once you select the group, the URL will update to include the group ID. Copy the group ID as we will need this in Postman. In the Postman application, we will use the Okta Groups API and run the Delete Group API by groupId API method as shown. Replace the group ID with the value that we copied earlier from the URL and click Send. A 204 no content status will be returned. Now when we try to access that group, it will no longer be available. Groups that are managed automatically by Okta can also be removed. The second way to obtain the group ID is by using the List Groups API. In Postman, run the List Groups command and then search for the group that you want to delete from the results. Now run the Search Groups command to locate the group ID for the group we want to delete. Copy the ID value that is returned. Run the Remove Group command and replace the group ID with the group ID to be deleted, and click Send. A 204 no content will be returned. Back in the Okta admin console, when you refresh your groups list, the group will be deleted and no longer found. We can also see in the Okta system log that the group deletion action has been completed successfully. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.